Hello everyone. I am Nishit Singh, Solution Architect, IT Solution Architect to design this HCL online monitoring dashboard demo. I'm going to walk through this dashboard which we have created as a prototype and skeleton for the possible dashboard. So here we go. Just by launching this, we can click this and then this will take us to homepage of our dashboard. So as you can see, we are in home page of this dashboard. This dashboard is currently capturing all the active users at its home page who have been given authorized access to this dashboard. And all the existing user can log in into this using his single sign-on. That means your NT ID, your PC network ID itself will be credential for this home dashboard. Now you can see one of the notification button near to right top where we can see the existing user who has logged in. So that notification captures all the red flag and action item for that users in that queue for that day. So let's say if I'm clicking this, we can see there is no action item for me for today. So that is the thing. And then at top you can see there is a search button. The reason behind that search button just to avoid users to navigating through hundreds and thousands of projects. Instead of that, he can simply type and search that projects. Now we can see uh, there is a vertical navigation bar in left hand side where we can see dashboard and AppSale dashboard. We have segregated all the projects under 5 different category. Out of that, first one is social and commercial infrastructure, in which we can see airports and metros. Just for sample, we have collected Mumbai Airport, Delhi Airport, and Pune Airport. Under metros, we have simply mentioned Mumbai Metro, Delhi Metro, and Pune Metro. In similarly, the second category, second sector, which is coming as transport and logistics. Within this sector, we can see road construction and bridge construction. Within road construction, we have captured NS65, NS70, NS27, just for sample data of this dashboard. This dashboard has capability of capturing hundreds of projects against all these sectors and from different remote locations. So right now for NS65, we have captured some of the sample data as per our experience, and the team which we have right now, they have worked in different section. So I'm going to NS65. Here you can see. So any road project can be segregated in two different categories. Number one, implementation. Number two, operational. Under implementation, there are some subtasks, something like surveying, land acquisition, soil testing, excavation, etc. We can capture actual status of all those tasks and then evidences behind those tasks. So here we can see we have created some of the hypothetical status, and then we have captured all those in progress status. Then again we can see a red flag, the task number 8, road furniture, signboard, safety signs, color marketing, etc., which is showing us as pending. So just to understand the reason behind pending, we can click that and then we can understand furniture, signboard, all these things yet to be delivered. We can capture any other message as per choice of stakeholders and SMEs who will be working on this dashboard or who will be using this dashboard to identify the potential NPH. Now, next we can go to some other section, like we are seeing transport and logistics. So in energy sector, we can see two sectors, thermal power plants and solar plants. Under thermal power plants, just for sample, we have collected some data under Rajasthan Thermal Power, where we have actual picture or as per our experience, and our team has worked on in those sites. So in Rajasthan, again, we can see there are two different sections, implementation and operational. Under implementation, similar to transport and logistic, we have seen there are subtasks, surveying, land acquisition, soil testing, excavation, etc. Then weekly, monthly, quarterly review meetings. Now we can see Surveying is completed. Under surveying, we can see one link is also there. This just to showcase that this dashboard has capability to collate the status as well as evidences behind those status. That evidences could be video, it could be still photographs, which will give us the identify all those status. Then again here we can see one of these status in pending and in red flag. So we can click it and we can understand delivery of turbine not arrived as of now. So that is the status. Now in operational section also we can see we have captured some real-time data of one of the thermal plant unit. So over there we can see unit-wise generation, then unit-wise generation monthly basis, unit-wise generation yearly basis, then limit of that thermal plant, unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4. We can see coal consumption versus electricity produced. So we have captured that data and then we have created visualization of all those data in right hand side. Here you can see. Now, same way, we can see some of the evidences behind these data. We can capture all those pictures and photographs within these links. We can embed and then we can identify. Now, again, within energy sector, we can go to some other sectors like solar plants. For solar plants, also we have created some sample data under Maharashtra solar section where we our team has worked and collected some real-time data. So again, in this sector, we can see we have segregated implementation and operational sector. Within implementation, there are some subtasks on which we have collected status and then we have embedded some pictures. For example, under surveying section, we can see it's showing completed and there is some picture embedded behind that task. This dashboard has capability to open that picture in the same window or in same pop-up, otherwise in different window as per choice given by SME and stakeholders. Then in soil testing also we can see some of the links and pictures embedded under that. This is the one. Then in leveling we can see some pictures. So similarly we can see some of the pictures. Task number 8, construction of MCR in progress. If we see that picture, so it's showing installation of all the structural pillars. Now installation of module structures, we can see this one. Installation of modules. Okay, I have already covered that. Now we can see again there is a pending task which is showing in red, which can become NPA assets or NPA projects for future potentially. So just to understand beforehand and well in advance, we can see delivery of FAST panels not arrived as of now. So that is the message. We can capture anything as per actual underlying data or bottleneck at that site. In consumption of plants, commissioning of plant, we can see it's showing as in progress. And if we click that, there could be some pictures behind that. We can capture pictures as well as video, as I said earlier. Now in operational side, we can see some of the pictures. We have captured aerial view of a solar plant. How does it look like from top view? Now again in next picture, we can see there are failure points, cell failure, substring failure, hotspot due to shadows. So these legends have been used by red color, blue color, and orange color. So we can see a number of red spots, blue spots, and orange spots on top of the solar plant. At last, we can see some detailed descriptions of PV failure. There is problem statement, then root cause, and then description of those failures. So all these are depiction the capability of this dashboard. What are the things we can capture? Even we can see in this dashboard, we can capture some of the videos also, which we cannot execute due to time constraint. We can see here that it's capturing all these road construction area, then their coordinates, starting point, end point. So we can capture all these things. So this was just a sneak peek of capability this dashboard can have. Even if given opportunity, we can create these dashboards in URL or Explorer based as well as in mobile app. mobile app could be compatible with either with iOS or Android. So the look and feel will be of those application will be something like this. We can see all these will be screens, and then we can embed all those evidences, photographs and dashboard and visualization behind these links. We can go to different sectors, we can click, and then we can understand the actual status and evidences of all those uh, projects. So that's all from my end. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Hope you have enjoyed this demo. Thank you.